So today concept is property file. Today concept is property file. What is property file? Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Yesterday we discussed only XPath concept. So not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. So there are two ways. One is directly we can write the properties in main test only. In main test. So there are two ways. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. So there are two ways. One way, directly we can write the properties in main test. We can write the all the properties in main test. Second way, second way, we need to create. We need to create property file. All the properties we will keep in this. We will write in the file, and we need to attach with main test. Main test. Using that information, Webdriver will identify the web elements. Webdriver will identify the web elements. Web elements. First of all, there are two ways property file. So property file means not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. So first, there are two ways. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also, like name, ID, value. So we can take number of properties. I will show you. There are two ways. One is directly we can write the properties in the main test. That is the first way. Second way, so first of all we need to create one property file, and all the properties we will keep in that file. Using that information, Selenium or Webdriver will identify the web elements. Webdriver will identify the web elements. So how we can do, we will discuss today. Go to SRC, take the new class, and taking the class name is WD2. Keep the mark publish start quiet menu, click on finish. Yesterday's concept once again I will repeat. Webdriver WD equal to new Firefox driver. This is the only one line we learned from Java. Interface name, reference name equal new class name. Here interface is Webdriver, reference name WD. equal to new class name. Interface name reference name equal to new class name. wd.get http. I want to work with facebook.com. Okay. If you want to work with Facebook, first of all, we need to give username and password. We need to click on login button. So now wd dot find element by dot xpath. I'm giving xpath dot send keys. I'm giving username. AkhilReddy HID1 at gmail.com. So I'm giving username. I'm giving password. Yesterday session. This is the Venkarna 143. Firefox driver. Keep the cursor. Import the statements. Right. This is the yesterday session, sir. Today's session. Go to Mozilla Firefox. I want to work with the Facebook. Write Facebook. So activate the icon. Go to click on username field. So after click on username field, we can get XPath. We can get XPath. Oh, this is the XPath. Not only XPath, we have ID, class, type, value, name. These are the properties. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. So now I want to take ID property. Now I want to take ID property. ID is email. ID is email. Copy. Here I am mentioning ID. Here I am mentioning ID. I'm taking not XPath, I'm taking ID now. So give that ID. Next password. Activate. Go to password window. Password is pass. Next sign in button. Activate. Login button. ID is login button. Copy. Control V. So this is the first way. So directly we can give the properties in the main test only. Directly we can give the properties in main test only. Yesterday we discussed in the place of XPath. Today we are writing properties, ID property. In the place of XPath, I am writing ID. Save, click on run. Save, click on run. It will run. This is the first way. There are two ways. This is the first way. Directly we can give the properties in main test only. So I'm taking ID property, I'm giving here. It is giving username and password. It is going to login, right? So this is the first way. Next to second way. Next to second way. Directly we will not declare here. So indirectly we will give. How we can give, we will discuss. So first of all, before going to that concept, so first of all, how to create property file? How to create property file? So first of all, we need to create the property file. How to create the property file? Go to default package, right click on default package, right click on default package, right click on default package, go to new, other, general, final, file, click on next. File name is Akhi.txt, Akhi, click on finish. I created one property file. The property file location is just like right click on how to create property file, right click on package, go to new, other, general, file. So right click on, one second I will show you. Right click on package, right click on package, right click on package, go to new, other, general, file, give the file name. So I created one property file that is Akhi. In the Akhi, I'm giving alias name A equal to, B equal to, C equal to, A equal to, B equal to, C equal to. So properties directly, I'm giving in file. How we can give? So already we know ID. Already we know ID. What is that ID? So email, mm, email, copy, go to. I'm giving name here, control B. Next password. Password is pass only. Next login button.
Copy
Sir,
copy paste చేయాల్సిందేనా సార్? We cannot write it like email. We cannot type
we
it.
can write it. We can write it, sir. No need to worry. But now, if it is case sensitive, sir. That's the reason I'm copying. Okay.
I'm just asking that.
Okay, okay. We can write it manually also. We can write it. Okay. Save. So first concept to directly we can give the properties. Second concept to we need to create the property file. I have created one property file. Now just you can write, you should write here properties p equal new properties. Selenium using property you should identify. So that's the reason I'm giving properties p equal to new properties. Next file input stream. File input stream FIS equal to new file input stream, give the path of the property file, just path of the property file. We need to give the property file path. Right click on Akki. I taken property file name is Akki. Just go to properties. So this path is this one. With the double slash. We should give with the double slash. We should give with double slash. Next we should write one more line. P dot load. P dot load FIS. Enough. File input stream. Come down. File input stream Java IO. Java IO. Properties Java.util. After writing the code, it will show you underline. Just keep the cursor. Add throws declaration. Still it is showing add throws declaration. So I gave with alias name A P dot get property with alias name A. P dot get property B. See, I gave alias names. That alias names here I am giving. Save, click on run. Save, click on run. So this is the concept of property file concept. There are two ways. First one, directly we can give the properties in the main test, or other one we need to create the property file. We need to attach with main test. How, where you attach? So file input stream fi is equal new file input stream. I am giving the path of the file. So that is called attachment. So file input. So I'm taking the information from outside. So that's the reason we are using file input. So if you want to send the information to outside, so we will use file out. It will give username and password. If we click, it will click on login button.